Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. The opposition has stepped up its offensive against the Election Commission's special intensive revision process, with 23 political parties and one independent MP jointly writing to the Chief Justice of India. The India bloc says that the move reflects a united stand over concerns related to the electoral rolls and other election-related issues. So this letter has been written to the Chief Justice, and there are multiple opposition parties who have come on board for this. Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast. But Niyamika, the issue of SIR has also been taken in the Supreme Court, but now yet again the opposition stepping up the offensive. Take us through the details of the political parties and their letter to the Chief Justice.
Well, yes, indeed, the opposition parties have stepped up their attack upon the Election Commission of India. As now in the latest development, it is the 23 political parties who have written a letter to the Chief Justice of India asking him to intervene into this entire matter, the way in which Election Commission of India is conducting SIR in those states where the assembly elections are coming in. In the past as well, we have seen that how on 8th of June there was a high-level meeting of the India bloc parties in which all of the senior leadership of all these opposition parties were being present, and they had decided that they will write a letter to the Chief Justice of India regarding this entire issue. And now this letter has been signed by as many as 23 political parties, which also includes DMK as well as Aam Aadmi Party. This is a very interesting fact because both of these parties were not being present in that India bloc parties meeting. However, they are basically supporting this cause which is being initiated by the Congress party. A letter is being written to the Chief Justice of India, as they are basically demanding that it is high time that the Supreme Court intervene into this entire issue, because they are making this allegation against the Election Commission that it is working at the behest of the BJP. They are targeting only those people who are not a supporter of the BJP, and that is the only reason behind this entire exercise of SIR being conducted in those states where the assembly elections are coming in. We have seen that how in the state of Punjab also both Aam Aadmi Party as well as the Congress are attacking the Election Commission of India regarding this issue. In fact, it has become a big fight in the state of Karnataka as well. The kind of statements which have been given by the opposition parties, all of these issues are going to be taken up, and that is what is being mentioned in this particular letter which is being written by the opposition to the CJI.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, do stay with us. Let's take a look at what has been said by the Congress party. Now, the Congress party is also a signatory to this. Let's take a look at what Jairam Ramesh has said. This also signals the unity of the opposition. But remember, the SIR has also come up in the Supreme Court previously. So here is what Jairam Ramesh has said. On the 8th of June 2026, the India meeting was attended by 21 political parties and one independent member, during which a decision was taken to send a joint letter to the Honorable Chief Justice of India regarding the SIR process of the Election Commission and other issues related to elections. In accordance with this, a joint letter that has been signed by 23 political parties and an independent member has now been sent today to the Chief Justice. Here is what Jairam Ramesh goes on to say, the opposition parties remain firmly committed to solidarity, unity, resistance. This is what he has gone on to say. So Jairam Ramesh saying that this is the decision that has been taken by the opposition parties together. Let's see what the response will be. With